Hi, today we are standing at Embassy Green Shore, a newly opened 14-acre township inside our very own Embassy Springs in Devanahalli. So let's have a tour of the house with me. Come on. As you enter, the first thing through the door, you will notice the beautiful and spacious living area. Come, let's check it out. Imagine having your evening teas and your morning breakfast in this open balcony attached to your living area, and just look at this. Having a courtyard outside, this is just so beautiful. Let's check out your bedroom. Actually, the master bedroom number 2. This is just beside your living area. As you enter, this has an attached washroom, and this size bedroom, can you imagine? This is so big and spacious with so much ventilation. Now let's check out the family's favorite place, and that's the kitchen area. So this is the dining area which is adjacent to your kitchen area. Look at this modular and spacious kitchen, you guys, and it comes with a lot of ventilation and open space. Yeah, now let's check out the bedroom number 3 and 4, which comes along the living area, and plus you get a dedicated study area. Just how amazing this is, right? You get this option in a very few rare homes. Coming through this walkway, this side you get your powder washroom, which your guests can easily access. Now moving forward, this is your kids bedroom, which is also very important, right? And we have kept that in mind and built it very spaciously, and also lots of ventilation and light and room to breathe. And this is also comes with an attached washroom here. Now comes the master bedroom number 1. Just look at the size, you guys. This is so huge. Comes with a walk-in wardrobe, lots and lots of ventilation, plus an attached balcony. Just see how pretty the balcony is, right? So this one also comes with an attached bathroom. Coming along this side, again we're moving towards our study area. So this is a 4 BHK structure which is spanned across 1862 square feet. This space you can use as a bedroom or as a study room. It is as per your choice.
Embassy Group has delivered more than 64 million square feet of real estate across India. To put that in perspective, that's enough build space to cover hundreds of football fields end to end. 3 decades of work, offices, hotels, homes, entire business parks, and now all of that experience has gone into one quite very different idea, a community built beside a natural lake in North Bangalore. This is Embassy Green Shore, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through everything. The location, the homes, the lifestyle, and why this project is getting so much attention right now. Let's start with where it is, because location is everything. North Bangalore has quietly become the city's most future-ready zone. The airport pulled infrastructure, tech parks, and entire economies towards it, and everything around the corner has been rising ever since. Roads widening, metro lines extending, new townships breaking ground. Embassy Green Shore sits inside this story, but with something almost no other projects can offer: a real natural lake at its doorstep. It's part of Embassy Springs, a 288-acre planned city roughly the size of 200 football fields, built with schools, parks, retail, and office space already designed in. You are not just buying an apartment, you are buying into an entire ecosystem that still is in its early chapter. Within this 288-acre city sits Green Shore itself, 14 acres, 8 towers positioned right along the water's edge. Most homes here don't just face a road or another building, they open onto the lake or onto green landscape parkland. And this is where scale becomes trust. When a developer with 64 million square feet of delivered projects put their name on a lake-facing address, it isn't a gamble, it's a track record showing up at your front door. Inside, Embassy Green Shore offers spacious 2, 3 and 4 BHK homes, many stretching past 2,500 square feet. Wide balconies built for actually sitting outside in the evening. Cross-ventilated layouts that let air move through the home, not just the halfway. Light reaching every room, not just the ones facing the street. There are 878 homes in total, a number that matters because it means this isn't a project stacking thousands of families on top of each other. It's a community with room to know your neighbors and water views that don't get blocked by the next tower over. Step outside your home and the lake is only the beginning. A 3.6-acre central park anchors the community. Space for morning walks, evening crickets, or simply sitting somewhere green. There's a full clubhouse, a swimming pool, a cricket pitch, jogging trails, a zen garden for the quieter days, and even a pet park, because every member of the family deserves a place here too. And practically speaking, the airport is just minutes away. Whether it's a weekly business trip or family flying it to visit, that convenience quietly changes how you live every single week. Here's the part worth paying attention to. There are only 878 homes at Green Shore, and lake facing units by nature are first to go in any project like this. In a market where North Bangalore's land values have climbed steadily on the back of airport driven growth, an early lake facing home here isn't just a lifestyle upgrade, it's a position in one of the city's most durable growth corridors. So the real question isn't whether North Bangalore is going to keep growing. The last decade already answered that. The question is whether your home looks out onto a building or onto water. Embassy Green Shore, where the life flows differently. Site visits are open now. Reach out to the Mani Consulting today before the best facing homes are gone. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.